Okay, welcome back to our channel, Guitar RX. Today we are going to embark on a new project. We're going to restore the guitar that we're about to unbox from this box, but it just came in from shipping and it really does not look much like a box, and it is a vintage guitar, so we're really hoping that it doesn't look anything that the box looks. So let us unbox this and hope for the best. What do you think, buddy?
I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
We're about to see.
This is sketchy for sure.
Well, it's wrapped up in bubble wrap. At least it's one thing that's right.
No, that's true.
Here we come. Does it have the neck still attached?
Looks like
still? Pull.
Headstock broken off. Doesn't look like it.
Nothing's wobbling. All right, so it looks like we might have lucked out. Anyways, we're gonna open this up then, and we're gonna show you guys what we got.
Sorry, we can edit.
All right, here we go. We're opening this up. We're going to kind of show you guys what we got here. This is...
Oh, wow.
This is a 1964 Gretsch Corvette with a real cool single coil pickup, like the Filtertron, but they call it a
Hylotron.
A Hylotron, yep, that's right. And we got all the original pots, original pickup, which are nice, and basically original jacks. So what you're seeing is someone had tried to do a sunburst on this thing. It's a mahogany guitar, and basically we're going to take this thing back to cherry red, which it was, and that's the back, front. And the cool thing about these guitars, they had this really cool, like before, like Ernie Ball, they had this 2 and 4 headstock. Pretty cool stuff. I mean, definitely different. And like I say, for the most part, gladly enough, seeing how poorly that was shipped, this thing's in nice shape. So basically now we're going on a parts hunt. We're going to strip this all back, and when this thing's done, we're going to have a really cool Junior-esque type guitar. Sort of like similar to a lot of the Les Paul Juniors. I'm seeing it's got original frets on it, and the fretboard is definitely Brazilian rosewood on this thing. You got some wear down here. We're going to have to make a nut for it.
A little bit of damage here, but that can be fixed.
Oh, that's gonna come right out. Oh, we buffed this board. It's got a real flat radius on this thing. It definitely needs a refret, so we're gonna get to that right away too. But what we're gonna do for all you guys, we're gonna document this project as it goes along, and we're gonna put up some videos. Now, we've done guitars in the past, and perhaps our videos were just a little bit too long out of the box and all that, and people are like, lose interest pretty quick. So we're going to try to limit these videos down to like, about 10 minutes, maybe less each video. But we're going to give you guys a lot of like information and stuff. We're going to like roll through it. And I tell you, by the time we're done with this bad boy, you're not even going to notice it. And like I say, man, follow us on this video and you guys are going to see some cool stuff. And for now, that was our unboxing, and this is a 1964 Gretsch Corvette. Anything you want to say, Case?
Yeah, just stay tuned. We got a lot of parts that'll be coming up with this restoration.
This has a tremolo bridge made by Burns on it that they had, which is a needle in a haystack. When we bought this body, we went out on a limb and actually found the correct trem tailpiece for this thing, which we got coming in from England. So we're going to show on that unboxing for you when that thing comes in. And it's going to be some real cool stuff. But yep, we're going to start pulling this thing apart. We're going to do some stripping. We're going to get those frets out of here. We're going to refret this thing and maybe work out some of the damage on the board. Maybe give it a light planing. It seems we got a nice slab of Brazilian on here. So we got, a good piece of Brazilian rosewood. So basically, like I say, we're going to have some repairing to do on this thing, but nothing major, nothing that we haven't done before. Anyways, yeah, stay tuned to this series. This is going to be cool. On that note, thank you all. And sorry it took so long to make a video. We've had a real lot going on in life, Rona and everything else. Everybody's vaccinated, feeling good, and the videos are going to start just flowing like wine. Anyways, we'll see you guys on the next video. And next video, we should have more parts, and we should probably have this thing pretty well stripped down by then. Till then, we'll see y'all. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. Just hit that button on the left-hand corner, or right-hand bottom corner. Subscribe and like our channel, and basically, we'll bring you tons of videos. There's going to be tons of stuff to watch. Anything?
Yeah, that's about it.
All right. We'll see y'all in the next video.